SHOUTcast is free cross-platform proprietary software for streaming media over the Internet. The software, developed by Nullsoft, allows digital audio content, primarily in MP3 or HE-AAC format, to be broadcast to and from media player software, enabling the creation of Internet radio stations. The most common use of SHOUTcast is for creating or listening to Internet audio broadcasts. However, video streams exist as well. Some traditional radio stations use SHOUTcast to extend their presence onto the web. SHOUTcast Radio is a related website which provides a directory of SHOUTcast stations. History: created in 1998, SHOUTcast's streaming protocol uses metadata tags in responses that all start with IC, which stands for I Can Yell. Nullsoft was purchased by AOL on June 1, 1999. On January 14, 2014, AOL sold Nullsoft to Belgian online radio aggregator Radionomy. No financial details were publicly announced. Software: the SHOUTcast software uses a client-to-Euro server model, with each component communicating via a network protocol that intermingles audio or video data with metadata such as song titles and the station name. It uses HTTP as a transport protocol. Although multicast was planned, it was never developed. SHOUTcast servers and clients are available for FreeBSD, Linux, Mac OS X, Microsoft Windows, and Solaris. Client-only versions exist for Android, BlackBerry OS, iOS, Palm OS and Web OS, PlayStation Portable, Windows Mobile, Symbian S60 and UIQ, Nintendo DS, and Wii. The output format is supported by multiple clients, including Nullsoft's own Winamp as well as Amarok, Eggshell, Foobar 2000, iTunes, Songbird, Totem, XMMS, and Zinf. If the client does not support the SHOUTcast protocol, then the SHOUTcast server sends the stream without the metadata, thus allowing it to be heard viewed in clients like Windows Media Player. SHOUTcast servers are usually linked by means of playlist files, which are small text files that contain the URL of the SHOUTcast server. When that URL is visited in a web browser which identifies itself as Mozilla compatible, the server will return a generated SHOUTcast server info status page, rather than streaming audio. Stations: a feature of SHOUTcast servers is the ability to optionally publish server information, including the current number of listeners, in a directory of stations that AOL maintains on the SHOUTcast website. Site visitors can pick a station to listen to and download a playlist file for use in their own SHOUTcast-capable media player. In September 2008, AOL redesigned the SHOUTcast website, which had been roughly the same since 2000. In 2010, SHOUTcast again redesigned it with more of an AOL look. As part of the redesign, the directory and services were rebranded as SHOUTcast Radio, rather than SHOUTcast Streaming Technology. The redesign included a fully functional option to view the site and directory with the old layout. At the time, Videoland said that AOL's license for use of the SHOUTcast radio servers would force us to integrate the spyware and a web-based SHOUTcast radio toolbar inside your browser and thus prevents open-source software from using the SHOUTcast radio servers. Popularity: SHOUTcast said in 2011 that up to 900,000 concurrent listeners could be seen on public streams during peak hours. The audience on private streams is unknown. The maximum and minimum number of listeners fluctuates widely during a day, with roughly 3 times as many listeners during peak hours as at low-use times. This would indicate US-centric use of the platform compared with platforms that have a worldwide audience and do not see such a wide variation throughout the day. As of May 2014, SHOUTcast Radio included over 50,000 stations. Supported file formats. Version history, sources. See also: ISOcast, list of Internet radio stations, list of streaming media systems, Nullsoft streaming video, Edcast. References. External links, official website.